In this lesson, we will create a flow that will check and add the data to the data words table. So new flow, instant cloud flow. We will take a request, HTTP request trigger. The schema, of course, will have the payload, which is the record. Anyone wanted this and use payroll to create. Done. Okay, now we add a step. Here we will add data words list rows.
So the multiple inventory entry need to show it in the one card. Suppose there are 10 inventories, like washing machine is there. Suppose there is a
Use table employees.
show in the one card. So can you understand my question?
Now my table employee ID is in this format. So this column employee ID is CR76 underscore employee ID. It must be lowercase. Filter rows CR76A. Equal whatever employee ID is, whatever ID is. Oh. We better change this.
Yes.
So we remain consistent. Okay. So employee ID is equal to employee ID. Single quotes, and within that employee ID. Initialize variable.
And the keyboard. Suppose the meter in the multiple entries. Okay. So
Its duplicate value is expression length.
This is suppose the key project having the multiple entries of the key.
Inside this dynamic content,
Multiple entry, I need to show
list rows value. Say okay.
I implement that function, but
Condition
the parent card top one, and inside this I create this card, but
is duplicate
suppose I remove the border of the inside the card.
is duplicate is equal to is greater than or equal to 1.
Border of this card inside the card.
If yes,
Okay.
we need to terminate.
Card border is removed here.
That means do not add. If not, then data words, add a new row, employees, employee ID will be employee ID from the request. First name will be first name from the request. The last name will be last name from the request. Is that good? Oh, two times first name. Oh, it's saved.
Okay.
Save. So we get the URL. We'll immediately go to the postman and paste that URL there. Post the body raw text JSON. We pass the same employee ID 1 and this send. Accepted. Let's check employee ID 1. We don't know if it worked or not. We'll have to check it. Edit. So first we'll add this. It should go. We try to add it one more time. It should not add. We try to add to Wasi Kamil. Refresh. It added. Try to add Wasi Kamil again, or instead of Wasi, John Butler at ID 2. Refresh. It will not add. So this flow does the job. Request received. It computes the list the row based on the employee. It checks if the employee ID is. The trick is this column, everything must be lowercase, and this is from the request string. There are single quotes before and after. So that's this step. Initialize is a tricky thing. Length output list rows. You can use this if you want. Add condition if it is greater than 1 is duplicate, means it's duplicate. Terminate. If not, remember to add these 3 values from the request.